Hey guys. Hope everyone's doing great. Hope everyone is feeling great. Hopefully everyone's at the job they like and doing the business that they love. Hit the bell button, friends. This is my new channel. I want you to subscribe. So tax season is here, right? I went to do my taxes and the place was freaking just packed, right? Just packed. And, I heard some of the ladies talking, about, the money they getting. Some people getting like $6 grand back. Some people getting like 11 grand back. Like, people excited about getting their taxes. Now, I know the feeling, because when I used to work, make 35 grand a year and get my little 4 grand back, I was excited. But people don't realize that all it is basically half of the money that you already freaking gave them. So it's not like the government or the IRS is giving you any type of money. They're just giving you back the money they freaking took. So people get all excited about this. And I'm looking at these two ladies and I said, ma'am, as long as I don't owe a lot, I'm happy with that. I said, I don't get excited about no return because I don't get a freaking return. And I said to her, well, what are you going to do with your taxes this year, 2017? 2018. That the money they took out from 2017 from you. And she said, I got a couple bills I'm going to pay off. I said, so every year you get this type of money. And I said, well, how much do you actually keep? Because I was trying to let her understand that it's not how much money you actually make. It's actually how much you keep and grow. Because if you made $80,000 and you kept $4,000 and that $4,000 over the year, grew to $5,000, then you're in business basically, right? You know what you're doing. But if you made $80,000 and you didn't save $5,000 and you're more deeper in debt than you were last year, you're not doing it correctly. You're out of business, right? So I said to her, why don't you invest your money into something? I'm telling her about business. I'm telling her about Bitcoin. I'm telling her about all these different things, but there's a lot of people around. So everybody listening to what I'm saying. And I said, why don't you start a business, right? Or learn investing or learn what trading is so that now next year, the money that you're getting from this tax return, at least half of it you keep and let it grow or put it into a Roth IRA or stocks, silver, whatever you wanted to put it in. And she said, well, I never thought. And basically everybody there said the same thing. They said, I never thought of investing my tax return. It was like 10 people in there got an aha moment, for real, guys. And I felt good that I was the person to get the light bulbs on, right, guys? Because that's what I'm talking about, helping people wake the fuck up. So, I gave my business cards out to people, told people to follow me on Instagram, all that stuff. And I say in all this to say, friends, right, the money that you get from the IRS, right, that's the money that they took from you. Remember, if you have a job, friends, they're taking over 30% of your money. So if you made $80,000 or let's just say 100, right, they took 30,000 or more from you. When you get a return now, friends, you're not getting 30,000. You might get 10,000. You might get 5,000, depending on what you're claiming and what your deductions are. So you never win, friends, having a job. You never win with the IRS having a job. Meanwhile, I could say I made 150,000 and my freaking expenses, was 200,000. And guess what? Now my business took a $50,000 loss. So now the government pays me. But here's the thing. You have to have real estate. See? That's why I talk about real estate. Remember I told you I have a rental property, right? So you have to have real estate to offset this stuff. See, the government recognizes business owners that's doing business the right way. Not just, oh, I just got a business and I got all these advertising expenses that don't add up. But if you have a rental property, you got rental expense, you got rentals, you paid for the house, how much expenses, it had, the boiler went out, the taxes, on the house, going down to check on the house, doing repairs, all kind of different things. So the government, see, this is what Grant Cardone talks about real estate. Okay, guys, he talks about real estate, and he says, as business owners, you need real estate, friends, right? Because now, guess what? A lot of people, even Grant Cardone, who makes millions of dollars, he said he gets a check back from the government. That's why I love being in business, friends. I love being in business, okay? Because literally, I can just basically tell the IRS what I want to tell them. Basically, and I say, all right, well, this is, what, I'm going to pay. Or we come to an agreement. Or I sit down with the CPA and say to my CPA, listen, I'm not claiming this. I want to claim this. How can I get deductions for this? And what do I need to do to put this on? It's a total different mindset, friends. That's why when I help people, okay, and when I tell people, about investing their money, not just invest one time. You got to have that mindset of investing. You got to have that mindset of leveling up. You got to have that mindset of, okay, I'm going to invest my money for now and in the long term to build passive income, and I will keep investing my money. Imagine if every tax return that you got, friends, you invested it every single time, and it grew by 10, 20% every single year. A Roth IRA can do that. Bitcoin definitely, can do that. Real estate can do that. Silver and gold can do that. And you working and starting a business can also do that. But you really have to understand, friends, right, how money works. It's not rocket science, friends. You really have to understand how money works. Okay, so I'm grateful, friends, that I was turning some light bulbs on today. I just came from the spa. I feel great. I feel relaxed. I'm going to go home and relax, right? Chill out. Okay, because I can do that, right, friends? So don't just keep spending your tax dollars, friends, that basically the government is giving back to you. Invest it, friends, so it can grow year after year, right? And month after month, right? What's the point to work hard, friends, and you not building an asset, or you don't build an asset? It doesn't make sense, friends. Stop letting the government get all of your money. Stop letting the government have all of your money. Stop allowing the IRS to take 33, 40% of your freaking money. Stop, friends. There are better ways, but if you don't know, we don't know, right? It's like I told my husband, wealthy people know how to build for next generations. Broke people don't, right? But if we learn this stuff, we can know how to do it. And guess what? We can make it a habit if we're consistent and we got the right coaches and mentors in our corner helping us do it. I tell you, it's an amazing thing, friends. So don't waste your tax dollars, friends. Don't pay off no bills. Don't worry about no bills, because the bills you got now, the same bills you're going to have, you ain't paid them off this year. You ain't going to pay them off next year. You're not going to pay them off. Let's just be honest. Okay? And they basically will not be paid off, all right? Let's invest in yourself and buy some courses, get some books, some CDs, some audio, start you a business that you're going to dedicate yourself to. Okay, friends, now network marketing series I've did on my blog. You can watch it. It's going to take you about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to watch all of it. It's a free series on picking the right company, investing your money, understanding investing, investing in yourself, understanding how to make your money grow and become your own boss. Tax season 2018, friends. People balling. People I ain't hear from. Now they calling me. Oh, they good now. They got an iPhone now. You can FaceTime. But when the money go away, now you're back to broke. Now your phone ain't on. Now you got a new number. Now it's crazy. Friends, let's stay on one track. Let's not do this roller coaster shit every year. Oh, I'm good when I got money. I'm bad when I don't got money. I'm good when I got... Guys, why we just can't be good all year? And have money all year. Like, for real. Let's just be good all fucking year and have money all fucking year. Let's be good all year, have money all year, have money working for us all year. When tax time come, more money will be working for us. That's what we should be thinking about. That's what we should have learned. I'm teaching my children that. Not worried about, oh, I can't wait to get my tax money. Man, please. I want some pineapples. My April class is starting, friends. Okay? You can register for my April's class, Mindset, $97 one time. Helping you understand, friends, how to build this mindset for the next level. But you got to start. JoinTanishaMarie.com, friends. And remember, do not waste your tax money this year. Rather, invest it. See you soon.